Grok 4.5 launched with a stack of real-world engineering benchmarks, not toy trivia quizzes, software engineering suites, terminal agent tasks, long agent roles. Today we put those published numbers next to GPT-class, Claude Opus-class, Fable, and GLM figures from the same announcement charts. Important caveat. Competitor scores come from provider system cards and leaderboards, often different harnesses. Treat this as a map, not a courtroom verdict. Then we translate scores into what you should test on your own repo this week. First suite, DeepSWE. On DeepSWE 1.0, published chart order is Fable Max at 66.1%, GPT 5.5x high at 64.31, Grok 4.5 at 62.0, Opus 4.8 Max at 55.75, Opus 4.7 Max at 40.12. On DeepSWE 1.1 with a mini DeepSWE agent harness, Fable leads at 70, GPT 5.5 at 67, Opus 4.8 at 59, Grok 4.5 at 53, GLM 5.2 at 44. Read that cleanly. Grok sits in the top tier, not always first. Strong against older Opus, trailing the top of Fable and GPT 5.5 on these agent coding harnesses. SWE marathon resolution rate pass at 1. Grok 4.5 leads the published set at 29%, Opus 4.8 at 26, Fable at 24, Opus 4.7 at 16. That is a clear Grok win on this long horizon resolve metric. Terminal Bench 2.1 is a photo finish. Fable Max 84.3, GPT 5.5 83.4, Grok 4.5 83.3, Opus 4.8 and 4.7 both 78.9. Translation. On terminal-style agent tasks, Grok is neck and neck with the top two, clearly above Claude Opus Max on this chart. SWE Bench Pro Resolve Rate. Fable Max 80.4%, Opus 4.8 69.2, Grok 4.5 64.7, Opus 4.7 64.3, GLM 5.2 62.1, GPT 5.5x high 58.6. Here Grok sits mid-pack among leaders. Beats GPT 5.5 on this published Pro Resolve chart, trails Fable and Opus 4.8, almost tied with Opus 4.7. So if someone says Grok always wins coding, that is wrong. If someone says Grok is not competitive, that is also wrong. The scoreboard is suite dependent. The efficiency story is where Grok leans hard. On average output tokens per SWE Bench Pro task, Grok 4.5 about 15,954 tokens. Opus 4.8 Max about 67,020, roughly 4.2 times fewer tokens in the published comparison. Served around 80 tokens per second. List price $2 per million input, 6 per million output. If those efficiency numbers hold on your workload, Grok can beat a higher raw accuracy model on cost per successful fix. That is intelligence per dollar and per second. The metric finance actually cares about after the demo glow fades. Rules for adults. 1. Different harnesses change ranks. Always check who ran the eval. 2. Pass rates without cost are incomplete. Add tokens and latency. 3. Public benches are not your monorepo, your tests, or your style guide. 4. Marketing max modes can burn more compute than production defaults. 5. Use benchmarks to shortlist, then run a bake-off. 5 real PRs. 1 agent task with tools. Same stop conditions. Score correctness, tokens, time, and human edit distance. Prompt forge is where you A/B the same brief before you rewire production routing. Your move. If your work is long agent resolve and terminal tasks, put Grok 4.5 in the primary bake-off lane. If your work is pure SWE Bench Pro style resolve rate, also test Fable and Opus 4.8. If cost per success matters more than peak pass rate, weight token efficiency hard. Keep multi-model routing. No single chart owns your stack. Tune in tomorrow. We turn this scoreboard into an N8N autoroute policy. Task type to model, with cost tags on every pass. Subscribe if you want the future without the fluff.